Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional on a daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today na Friday, 30th August 2024, and our topic today na work. The memory verse for today dey Jeremiah chapter 17 verse 10, wey talk say, na me wey be God dey see and test human being heart. I dey treat each person according to how e dey live in life and wetin e dey do. Our Bible reading for today dey for Proverbs chapter 22 verse 28 to 29. Make you no remove the old boundary stone wey your grandpapa dem take mark where their land for hand. You don see person wey get good work? E dey with kings and no be with yeye people. Now the message. Bible make am plain clear say God value work well. Whether you be full-time parent bus driver artist or you be engineer, God dey interested for your work, in as much as the work na legit and you dey use am survive. Work na the major component for God overall plan for man. For Garden of Eden, after God don create man finish, e tell am make e take care of the garden. This one dey for Genesis chapter 2 verse 15. E mean say any man wey no dey work no dey function well, because God make man to work. The value of work boku well. Work dey give enjoyment. Na im make wey people wey don even retire still dey work even after they don retire. Enjoyment no dey if person just sit down from morning to night and e no do anything. Some rich and wealthy people always dey depressed if dem feel say they don make plenty money and they no need to work again. Enjoyment no dey if you no achieve anything. For example, if you dey work for garden, e go sweet you well if you dey see the fruit for the garden don dey grow as they suppose grow. Our memory verse today talk say God will give every man according to the fruit of him work. So if person no do anything, the person no go get anything be that o. Na the reason why for 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 verse 10, Bible talk say, because even when we dey with una, we tell una say person wey no ready to work no go chop. The reason why God give you talent na so that you go fit use them work o. If Christian no use the talent, the person go answer God for the last day. We go see this one for Matthew chapter 25 verse 14 to 30. God no like laziness at all. John chapter 5 verse 17 talk say, so he tell them, my papa dey work every time and na so me too dey work. If God dey work, e no go allow make you dey lazy. My God no be God of lazy people. If Christian dey lazy and e dey ask God for blessing, God go just ignore that Christian. If you dey work hard, na godly value be that o. But laziness na ungodly value. You no fit talk say you be Christian and you dey lazy. Even if you no dey employed, pray to God, then find something where you fit dey do to contribute positively to society, no matter how small the thing be. As you dey do this one so, God go open plenty doors wey pass that one for you. You no fit just slide down anyhow, you no do anything. E dey against God plan for you o. The main point for today's message be say, no lazy person fit receive anything good from God. I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we need, there shall be showers of blessing.